Sorry, I was looking at the camera. So I parked in front of my house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lynetra. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I prepare my baby's bottle using baby formula. So I wanted to create this video for all my new moms out there, all my expecting moms out there who just want to be prepared before their baby gets here on how to prepare a baby bottle. You don't want to wait to the last minute and not know what to do because your baby will be hungry. Some people are visual learners like myself, so I figured, why not create this video for all my new moms out there. So if you're interested in seeing how I prepare my baby's bottle, please keep watching. Bottles that I use are the man bottles, so they come with 6 parts. If you're using these bottles, you definitely want to make sure that this white piece is secure. Then I'm just going to screw it on. Got the nipples. The first thing you're going to do is choose what type of water you're going to use. You can use the baby distilled water that they have in the stores. We just typically use bottled water, and this is the Kirkland brand. So I'm just going to fill this up to the 6-ounce mark, because that's how much my baby drinks. And once I add the formula, it'll add like another 0.5 ounces to it. So just want to fill it up to your desired ounces that your baby drinks. Next thing that you're going to use is you're going to add your formula. So I typically use the Enfamil NeuroPro formula, and we've been using this from birth, and this is what, it doesn't give us any problems. We haven't had any stomach issues or any other dietary issues, so this works well for us. So what I'm going to do is for every 2 ounces that you make, you add 1 scoop. So my daughter drinks 6 ounces, so we have to add 3 scoops. And you don't want the scoops to be like packed. And each container comes with its own scooper. So when you scoop, you don't want to be adding a scoop like this. Too much. You don't want it to be so packed. And this is what the formula looks like if you guys haven't seen the inside of a formula can before. I'm here to show you. So this is what the formula looks like. Every formula comes with its own scoop, and so you just want to lightly pick up the formula. So what I typically do is I scoop it and then I bang it against the can just so it's not too full, and so it'll dust off some of the excess formula. So that's 1 scoop. Bang it. 2 scoops. Bang it lightly. 3 scoops. And then I just put the scoop right back in the container, close it, and we're done. I'm going to screw the top on, and then I'm going to put the cap on because when I shake it, I don't want the milk to come out of the nipple. And then you just want to shake it. You don't have to shake it, super hard. Just take it lightly just to make sure the formula is dissolved. As you can see, it is now 7 ounces because I added the powder to it. So if you make a 6-ounce bottle, it's usually going to be more than 6 ounces. And if you don't use this now, you just want to refrigerate it like I'm going to be doing. But if you are using it, you have to use it within an hour of it being prepared. So if your baby doesn't need the bottle to be heated up, this has to be used within an hour. If not, then you have to discard it. Any remaining formula, you have to discard it. All right, so that is how I make my baby bottles. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is a little person who I've been making the bottles for. Say hi. Let's take it out. Say hi. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, everybody.